Hey guys, if your Synology NAS is stuck on a blinking blue LED, don't panic. Here's what it actually means and how to fix it fast. That blinking blue light usually means your NAS is trying to boot up, but it's stuck or failed to start properly. Step 1. Hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the NAS fully powers off. Step 2. Unplug the power cable, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Turn it on again and listen. If you hear drive spin up and a beep, it should boot normally. If it's still blinking and no beep, remove all drives, power it on without drives, and check if it reaches steady blue. That confirms a drive or software issue. Then reinsert drives one by one, or boot using Synology Assistant to repair the system. And that's it. Your NAS should be back online. Follow for more quick Synology fixes.